To find dimensional formula of bulk modulus. Here, bulk modulus formula is change in pressure into volume by change in volume. Delta P into V volume by change in volume delta V. Here, we have to know the dimensional formula of the pressure first. The pressure is equals to force by area. The formula will be m power 1, L power minus 1, T power minus 2. So, the pressure dimension formula m power 1, L power minus 1, T power minus 2 into volume is L cube. Same change in volume also L cube. On cancellation of length dimensions, we get m power 1, L power minus 1, T power minus 2. Same as pressure. Bulk modulus and pressure have same dimension formulas.